These are contents of automobile tires shipped into the country from China. The Director General of the Standards Organization, Mr. Anthony Aboluma, says the agency acted on a tip-off that the consignments are located in a suburb of Satellite Town in Lagos.
This is the largest seizure of substandard tires in one swoop in the history of Nigeria. Look at this now. It's dated first week of January 2017, and it came into Nigeria second week of February 2017. So there's no way you would have been able to manufacture this thing, send them into Nigeria, clear them, and stock them before this date.
Ranging from different brands such as Duraton, Grandstone, S.O.N, and imported by Sino Nigeria Limited, the tires stuffed into each other are reportedly worth over 5 billion naira.
When you stuff a tire, even when you comply with all the conditions, all the standard and quality requirements, when you stuff them and import them into Nigeria, automatically it becomes substandard. Because while you stuff them, they are stored in very unwholesome condition. The people that imported them, who've apprehended them, they are now chatting with the law enforcement agents, and with the new S.O.N Act, we are going to try them, if need be, send them to jail.
While the culprits are billed to have their day in court, their case is likely to be escalated as more warehouses have just been discovered with more fake tires imported by the same company. Temple Ashaju, Channels Television News.